Good day. RK Figs here. Coming at you today with this Bethlehem Black fig. These figs are actually incredibly delicious. I've been enjoying them for a couple of years, and I noticed that I haven't reviewed one of them yet, so I will be doing that today. But let's see what else we got going on here. This here is my De La Senora tree, and as big as this thing has grown, you won't believe how quickly and fast this thing took off. I have not yet been able to enjoy any more than one fig from it. Somehow I had a fig develop, and the rest of them are still waiting to ripen, and they don't seem close. And funny enough, this thing has started putting out new figs, which what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pop these off, because I know that it is already end of September and they're never gonna ripen, and these are way too big to be Bribas for next year. So you might as well pop them off so that they don't rob energy from the tree. And you got to watch this white latex sap when you're doing that. You might want to wear gloves. Some people are highly allergic to this, and even if you're not highly allergic and you get any on your hands and then you touch your eyes, it's pretty bad. Now this here, if you see this fig right here, this one will probably be small enough, okay, it's still in the first stage, that it will turn into a Briba next year. But I would say I got at least another couple of weeks, and it's probably going to go past that. I'll leave it on for now, but I'll monitor this and I'll see what's going on. And look here, we got all kinds of new growth going on with all kinds of new figs. So we'll wait and see. Look at this here. This is my Pinta Silga, and this fig is probably one of the best figs that I have. I picked this one, still needs a few days, but I picked one the other day that was just beautiful. All right, moving on over here. This is my Lebanese Baskinta Purple, and you can see the honey oozing out of the eye. Okay, and this thing is, I would say, ready to pick. So I'm going to get that organza bag off and pick it. All right, other than the dripping fig honey that was in the bag, take a look at all the fig honey here. That is a sign that your fig is not only ready to eat, but ripened properly and is going to taste amazing. All right, coming on over here, we have my Niagara Black. This Niagara Black is a fig that I absolutely love. I almost lost this tree a few years back, but it's so nice and strong, and it survived. This tree, believe it or not, is not very, very popular with a lot of people. I guess they hear the name Niagara Black, and it's not as exciting of a label as like Bordeaux and all these other fancy names that figs have. But trust me, this fig is a very, very delicious fig, and you are definitely going to be very happy if you have one of these. So I'm going to pick this as it is ready, and we got some more coming on the way that I could see. I have my Sucrete here, which is also one of my favorite figs, but the squirrels and the raccoons don't give it enough time to ripen. And here we got a fig that's very close to my Lebanese Baskinta Purple in flavor, and that's the Cypress. And there's a fig on there, but it needs a few days. And look at the size of these things. They're nice and big, and they taste incredible. All right, right here, I have a fig that I acquired and was identified to me as Blanche de Saison, which is supposed to be a white fig, hence the name Blanche, and it is not. So here's the leaf. If anybody knows what kind of fig this is, please let me know, because I am very curious. I know it's not a Blanche de Saison, unless somehow one of the figs miraculously changed color. This is its first year. It's grown a lot too. Most of the figs on it just fell off. It aborted everything. So this is really the first one that I'm going to be trying. Okay, here we have Langue de Houte, which is an absolutely delicious fig. Okay, I'm going to save this one for tomorrow. There's one here that somehow grew a little bit smaller. This one I'm going to pick today because it seems a little bit softer. But I always love this fig. It always tastes fantastic. And here we have some figs that these fig trees, the raccoons have been all over and have been decimating them for me. But this is a Ronde de Bordeaux. This is an LSU Tiger, which I know that putting these organza bags may ward off squirrels and chipmunks and maybe some birds, but the raccoon doesn't care. He'll eat right through the bag. And this here is my Vern's Brown Turkey, which isn't a Vern's Brown Turkey. I don't really know what it is. If anybody out there knows, please let me know. For now, I'm just calling it RK Honeyberry because I don't know what it is. And my MBVS has pretty much all the figs on it are already eaten, mostly by me, but the raccoon did get a bunch already. So that's it for today. We're going to take these inside and give them all a taste. All right, so first we have this so-called Blanche de Saison, which we know it's not because of the color. Let's cut it open and see what's going on here with this fig that it looks extremely strange. I probably wouldn't even eat this because it looks like this part has not ripened and this part kind of did. Yeah. This part does taste okay. I don't know if this is a Smirnoff fig or it's just because it's in its first year. It is actually quite good. It is actually quite good. All right, we'll leave that on the side. Next year, we're going to review this small Bethlehem Black. All right, so this is Bethlehem Black. We're going to cut it open. And take a look here inside. Kind of like your typical. Okay. All right, next, we're going to move on to this Langue de Houte over here, which is a fantastic fig. Let's cut it open. Oh, I am so looking forward to this. This is a fig, guys. Trust me, this is a really good fig to have. Here.
It's recording.
Okay. So Langue de Houte, guys. I highly recommend this fig. If you don't have a Langue de Houte and you can get one, get one. They're huge. They're delicious. The tree is not shy in putting out figs. It's a good one. And the taste, you will not be disappointed. Oh my God. Here's another one. It's very close to Long Due. And the size is amazing. Look at this. This is amazing. This is a Niagara Black. I think it has other names like Nordland, and but they're all pretty similar. But this is such a successful fig. It's so delicious. You can't get it all in one bite. The taste is incredible. This is the fig flavor. What a winner. What a winner fig. All right, this is the last MBVS. We've done that one before. And finally, my honey dripping Lebanese Baskinta Purple. Look at that gorgeous honey. It's sticky. I don't know if you could see that. Just absolutely delicious. Let's try this fig. Can't wait to sink my teeth into it. Oh man. Oh man. I'm so glad I saved that one for the end. That was so good. All right, guys. So there you have it. I'm RK Figs. We'll see you next time.